Hello, my name is Alan Nolan and I am the author of a World Book Day book for 2024 called Malone and Bram Stoker in the Curious Case of the Irish Yeti. Now, I am a big fan of reading, and the thing about me is I can read anywhere. I just love reading so much. I'll just pick a spot and I'll sit down and I'll read. I love reading on the sofa. I love reading at the kitchen table. I love reading in my bed. Hey, what are you doing in there? Get out! I love reading audiobooks as well, or listening to audiobooks. I can listen to them in the car. I can listen to them when I'm walking my bold doggy Lily down the road. I just love reading so much. I can read absolutely anywhere, and that's the best thing about reading. All you need to do is stick your book in your bag, stick your book in your pocket, pop your earphones on and listen to an audiobook. You can do it anywhere too.